This is afternoon now feeding with pollen, maize and protein in a deep litter system, inoculated deep litter system, where we are using IMO, and we put this food in the morning, and now is around 3 in the evening, and they will be fed tomorrow. They have plenty of water in these jerry cans and small drums, and they will be able to enjoy their feed. So in general, what we say is natural farming is easy because of deep litter. There's no washing, there's no smell, because we only spray IMO. And that's why you see these pigs. We brought them here in February, and now you can see the size. We are moving on very well with no much hassle of washing or even using antibiotics or medicine. Only grains, pollen, soya, full fat, and sorghum, and the pigs are really enjoying every day.